This is a short story, a really short one, of how I traveled from Goa to Kanyakumari on a single gear cycle, which means it was a gearless cycle. The distance covered was 1100 kilometers in 11 days. Crazy! Fun fact, I did this without any practice. Day 1, I cycled from Madgaon to Karwar, which was almost 70 kilometers. I rode on NH66, which starts at Panvel near Mumbai and ends at Kanyakumari. One single road to the destination. Day 2 was from Karwar to Kumta, again 70 kilometers. I must say the best stretch of NH66 is in Karnataka. Day 3, Kumta to Baindur, almost 75 kilometers. The reason I was cycling around 70 kilometers since 3 days was due to the fact that I didn't practice for this ride and hence was just preparing my body. From Baindur, I cycled to Ullal in Mangalore, which was 137 kilometers, the longest I have rode in my life for a day. Ullal was just 6 to 7 kilometers away from the border of Kerala. Also, before Udupi, there is a stretch of NH66 that almost touches the Arabian Sea. From Mangalore, I crossed into Kerala and rode to Taliparambar near Kannur, cycled for 123 kilometers. After entering Kerala, the NH66 becomes narrow. Most of it is just 2-lane, so cycling in traffic becomes a little risky. Also, the northern part of Kerala is hilly and hence there will be a lot of ascents and descents. Day 6, I cycled only for 60 kilometers and stopped at Mahi, which is a union territory and a part of Pondicherry, not Kerala. From Mahi, I went to Ramanatakara in Kozhikode. Day 7 again was a light day. I only cycled 70 kilometers and had a nice Kerala Una, which means lunch. Day 8, I cycled from Kozhikode to Tripurayar in Thrissur, almost 110 kilometers. The flat roads had started and it was a big relief. Also, the journey was getting more scenic. Day 9, I crossed the famous city of Kochi and rode till Alappuzha, which is a tourist hub in Kerala. Rode almost 115 kilometers for the day. From Alappuzha, Kanyakumari was just 250 kilometers and I was planning to complete the ride in 2 days. Day 10, I planned to cycle 150 kilometers and reach Trivandrum city, but I could just cycle 115 kilometers. My body didn't support me for more, and the main reason for it was the return of the ascents and descents. Yes, the flat roads had ended. Nonetheless, I stretched for 135 kilometers the next day and reached my destination, Kanyakumari, on day 11. That's almost 1100 kilometers in 11 days. It's got a ring. This is just a short version of my cycle ride from Goa to Kanyakumari. If you click on the playlist that has come up on the screen, you can see my entire journey. They're basically vlogs of every single day. So like, share and subscribe, and do join the channel for some behind the scene videos and extra footages. Bye.